Grove Precision Specialist is a leading agricultural business in South Africa and specializes in precision farming. They are located in Bultfontein, Bothaville, South Africa, and have been specializing in precision farming equipment for 10 years. They supply high-quality precision equipment and excellent service throughout South Africa, as well as in Botswana. They are the only approved importers of CHCNav steering systems and are also very proud to be the only CHCNav approved repair center in South Africa. Their friendly, skilled, dynamic, and innovative staff teamwork, open communication, and prompt service are the building blocks of their operational excellence. They focus on performance encouragement and recognition for their staff through energetic execution of tasks, quick response and feedback, cost effectiveness and expertise. They deliver excellent customer service. They strive for excellent decision-making and the expansion of a positive name and image that establish a positive reputation. At Grove Precision Specialist, they have their clients' interests at heart and they build long-term relationships with them. Their Christian values, high moral standards, honesty, integrity, reliability, helpfulness, fairness, respect, and trust are very important to them. Through constant improvement, they grow in turnover and in sustainability, backed by ownership. Grove Precision Specialist for Sustainable Farming. Contact Johan today, 0722263258.
A few moments later.
Okay, wait. I do my own stunts. I can do this. Johan, let me try that in Afrikaans. Grove Precision Specialist, farfol hobara borderai. Lekker, Jonah. What do you think? Not too bad, no?
Yes, Tom, well done.